thing we'll do is we'll go select the blue Create Repair Order button. We can add a new customer here, or we can search for an existing customer. Their vehicle from the last time they were here is saved in the system, or we can add a new vehicle. We can add the odometer. We can also select if it's a drop-off or a waiter. The default labor rate comes up. We can keep it at that or select a different labor rate for this repair order. And then how they heard about us or why they're coming in for this visit. And then we'll select Create Repair Order. Next thing we'll do is we will build an estimate and then select Add Canned Jobs. Easiest way is to do a search. So we're going to search for an oil change. We'll select the full synthetic oil change, add it to the job, and it populates right to the repair order. We're going to select another one. We're going to go back to Add Canned Jobs, and now we're going to search for a tire rotation. Once we see that, we select it, add it to the jobs, populates to the RO. You'll see the total at the bottom. And this is how you start an RO with canned jobs.
Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to share it with the rest of your team. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would like to see more helpful videos for auto repair shops. Have a wonderful day.